Wait. So, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a very long time. I know I keep taking breaks because I have to come up with ideas, you know? Well, I had a thought, and now you guys got to understand that this thought didn't just come from out of nowhere. This thought came from, as I'm going to show you, a very slight accident that happened very recently. I'll show you in the next clip here, but we have the replacement parts for the headlight and the fender sitting right in here, which you'll see more at my buddy's, which we're actually going to get to here right away. But here's some schematics and stuff, and you'll see. Surprise! So we're back. So last thing you saw, that was on the car. This is now on the car. So long story short, some doofus wanted to destroy the original fender. So I bought a replacement fender, and I will tell the story pretty much at the end of the vlog, so stay tuned. And today I have my buddy Sam, also called Samantha, helping out. Do you want to explain where we are at in this whole process here?
We got the fender on.
Yep. Sure did.
About to put the headlight on. Fasten some bolts and we'll be fucking done.
Yeah, so for everybody that thinks that they can't do a bumper replacement or a headlight or a fender, and you think that you have to take it to a body shop, I hope that this video is going to help you understand how to do it on yours, as well as save you a bunch of money. I had quotes everywhere from like $200 to $600 and having it overnight, and this fucker over here did it within, what, an hour? Yeah, less than an hour. So don't ever let somebody take advantage. But go ahead and let's get back to the action. I would taste the fruit. What's the next step? I'm gonna bleep all the language out on this one.
That's it, because I might drop a couple controversial words.
No ads on this video. But you ain't getting paid for shit. So we have the fender on, as you've already seen. Woo! It's freaking shiny crap. So we have the fender on. We're putting one of the front clips on. We have the tire inner well still on. All we did was literally my good buddy here. We took the clips off the whole front on the bumper, which I'll show you, and then we basically took all the bolts, clips it off, and ripped it off. And it's about 32 minutes into the project, and we're about done. Okay, so in this next segment, you are going to see I will be covering what we're going to do with the fender, and you're going to see our canard install. What do you mean canard install? Well, today I'll show you the post holes before. Today I have carbon fiber, and I'll show you them better because you can't really see it. I have carbon fiber 3M sticky tape. I bought these for about 12 bucks. The reason I did them, as you'll see in this next clip, basically I've already had canards installed on the vehicle, but when we got into the accident, the main reason we did the new fender was because the canards were taken off. Now let's look at those post holes. So let me see if I can zoom in there. You see those? You see these areas like right here and here and here and here. You can see where the truck came and pretty much scratched us up, and he tore all these out. They're on the other side as well. I ripped these ones out because they just didn't look good. So what I was thinking of, we'll probably do something like this or something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna get them applied, and then we'll be back on the video. All right, so here it is in direct sunlight. I'm gonna try and come from this corner over here so that we can see them. So this is what they look like on the passenger side. And here they are on the driver's side. So, we're not done by any, well, look at that. We're not done by any step of the word necessary. Because, well, this is a build, right? This is a build. We want to see where this goes. In the back seat, I have the rims that are or were on the vehicle. These rims are done, not because they don't have life. They have tons of life left. I mean, they're in great condition. I mean, there is a minimal of scuffing on them, you know, just from normal wear and tear. They've been to Walt Disney World. They've been to Boston, Massachusetts. They've been to New York City. I mean, they've been everywhere. They were on the vehicle before the accident, and now after the accident. My plan is to keep the stock ones on, just because they were brand new tires. And I mean, with everything here, you know, it's pretty much do everything that's necessary, but try and see if you can save money or make more money, you know, doing it. So those are the rims that were on the vehicle. They're in great condition. If you know anybody who wants them, comment down below, and you guys can buy them. You can buy them. They're 5114.2 or whatever bullshit, but we'll get all into that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It's taken multiple days, multiple weeks to actually get these parts, get them on the vehicle, get the canards, get them installed. I'll show the brights here in another video, but until then, just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. This is a 2019 Nissan Sentra 1.8 non-turbo, also known as the B17 general group of Sentra. So if you guys have a comment down below, make sure to slap that down there, and if you like the video, just hit it. Maybe not. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one.